Good morning, dear students. Here I would like to uh, deal with the selection in cell pollinated crops. As you see here, selection means differential reproduction rates of different genotypes. Differential reproduction rates of different genotypes means different genotypes are available in the population. You are allowing only those to reproduce which are desirable. On that basis you are making selection. And you know that selection doesn't create variability. It utilizes the variability already present in the population. So means you are not going to create variability through selection. Of course, you are utilizing the variability already present in the population. Now you must know that what are the requirements of selection when you are going to have your selection program. So what do you need for that? When if it is available, then only you can go for selection. So there are 2 points only. One, variability must be present in the population. If you are looking at the population, if it is homogeneous and homozygous, you are not going to have any variability. So what you are going to select? So you must have variability in the population. The second is that variability which you are observing must be heritable. Otherwise there is no use of that variability. Say for example, if you have grown a variety in your field and by chance at some point of your field high fertilizers are there or nutrients are there and few plants have become more vigorous, so you will be thinking that yes, I have got the variability, and you are going to select it. You are not knowing the nutrient differences on the point, and you are unfortunately you have selected it. So you see the heritability of that variability for which you have selected the plant. So what you are going to do to see the heritability of the variable plant, you select that plant and you harvest the seed, and you next season you grow it in 1 row or 2 rows. If you get the same vigorous characteristics in this generation, means for which you have selected the plant, that is heritable. Otherwise it was just environmental because of the nutrient differences. So your selection will not be effective. So to have your selection effective, it must have 2 things: variability, and next that variability must be heritable, which I have described here. And purpose of selection, you know that very well, that you are going to isolate best desirable plant from a genetically variable population. So this is your purpose of selection. So this is all about selection in self-pollinate crops for today. Thanking you very much.